Hi guys, today I received this knitted polo shirt for reviewing purposes, and I said that it's really nice. I love the color, I love the texture that it feels very soft. It's amazing, and it's stretched, so you don't have to worry about anything. As you can see, it can stretch a lot. It's as I said, a knitted polo shirt, so the material quality will be very soft, very usable, transferable. You can use it on different occasions, from casual events to more formal ones, which is nice. And I like them because you can combine them with almost any style of pants, shorts, whatever you want to use, and it's really nice. Another thing that I like is that you can wash it on your machine. So you know there tends to be some clothes that you must not use them or wash them with machine, but this you can wash it, so it's really nice. So I'm gonna try it on and see how it looks. Okay, now it's ready. This is how it looks. It's really comfortable. It feels breathable. It's really nice. It fits perfectly. I ordered size L, and it's just good. And one thing that I hadn't seen is that it has this little space here to put, well, I think you can use it like that. I don't know if it's for that, but to put on your glasses, right? These are my regular glasses, but you can put your glasses in there, so it's really nice. I like it a lot. It's a relaxed fit, so it doesn't feel too tight. And I would really recommend it. See ya.